See a charge on your Amex that you're 100% sure is fraudulent? If your heart is racing and you're not sure what to do first, you're not alone. Today, we're reporting a fraudulent charge on Amex as quickly as possible. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Amex has a $0 liability policy for unauthorized charges, meaning you won't be held responsible. The key is to report it immediately. The fastest way, use the mobile app. Open the Amex app, find the fraudulent transaction, and tap Dispute Transaction. Select the reason, I don't recognize this purchase. This starts the fraud investigation instantly. The alternative, call the number on the back of your card. If you prefer to speak to someone, call the customer service number on the back of your card. Amex has a dedicated fraud department available 24/7. They will cancel your current card and send a new one immediately. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: lock your card the moment you suspect fraud. While you're in the app disputing the charge, immediately use the Lock Card feature we discussed earlier. This blocks any new attempts while you're on the phone or completing the dispute form, preventing further damage. So, just like that, you can shut down fraud and protect your account in minutes. Acting swiftly goes a long way in minimizing stress and financial impact. Now I'm curious, have you ever been a victim of credit card fraud? How did Amex handle it for you? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.